Hello everyone. Today we will study about structure of atmosphere. Before starting our today topic, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. So, density is highest near the surface of the earth and decreases with increasing altitude. The column of atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. So the 5 layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Now we'll study further. The troposphere is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. Its average height is 13 km and extends roughly to height of 8 km near the poles. So it extends nearly 8 km near the poles and 13 km is its average height and about 18 km at the equator. The thickness of troposphere is greatest at equator because heat is transported to great height by a strong conventional current. So this is also important point that troposphere is greatest at the equator because heat is transported to great heights by strong conventional currents. This layer contains dust particle and water vapor. All changes in the climate and weather take place in this layer. So the dust particle and water vapor, all changes in climate and weather takes place in this layer. The temperature in this layer decreases at a rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 mm of height and for a biological activity. Now, the zone separating the troposphere from the stratosphere is known as a tropopause. So the definition can be like, what is tropopause? The tropopause is a separating between a troposphere and a stratosphere. The air temperature at tropopause is about -40 degrees Celsius over the equator and about -45 degrees Celsius over the poles. If the temperature here is nearly constant, it is called the tropopause. So these are the important point about troposphere. In next video we will discuss about stratosphere and different other layers also. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.